Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to see blocked people on Snapchat. So first of all, before you do anything, go ahead to your app store and just search for Snapchat, and after you look it up, you can just go ahead and double check if the Snapchat app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do the drill, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Okay, let's jump right into it. So first of all, I'm going to just go ahead right here and open up the Snapchat. Now, as you can see, this is the camera and everything. Click on your Bitmoji at the top left if you have one. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just see right here, this is the, my profile. I'm going to click on the settings gear at the top right, and you're going to see right here all of your settings and everything. Just scroll a little bit down until you find the blocked users. Okay, you're gonna see right here in the privacy controls section, you're gonna see the third option, blocked users. Go ahead right here and you're gonna see all of the people that you blocked on your Snapchat, and basically if you want to unblock them, you're gonna see an X. Go ahead and hit X and confirm that you want to unblock this Snapchatter, and basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.